Good morning, students. In continuation of the practicals of third semester, we were preparing Uttarakhandi cuisine, regional cuisine practical, which we are doing. So, in continuation with the regional cuisine practical, today we are making Kodhe ki barfi. Kodhe ki barfi is actually a fusion menu which we are preparing today. Is a fusion dessert. Koda is a millet which is also called ragi, finger millet. Koda is very common in Uttarakhand cuisine. The Uttarakhandi people love finger millet. They consume it as a chapati, kodhe ki chapati. So now today we are making a fusion of a dessert of barfi and koda. So here we have done some miza over here. So students, here we have finger millet, kodhe ka atta, which is around 100 gram. Then we have over here jaggery. We have grated jaggery, the good. Now over here we have 100 gram of ghee. Then we have some sliced almonds, cardamom powder, green cardamom powder, and over here we have around 400 gram of khoya. So the ratio of barfi is 1:4, in which one part is of koda and 400 gram part is of the mawa, the khoya. So as you can see, making this preparation we don't require much ingredients. It is a very economical recipe and a very easy recipe to learn. I'll be showing when you will be seeing the preparation, you will see that this is a very easy and simple recipe and not very much costly. So we'll continue with the preparation of our finger millet barfi, kodhe ki barfi. So now students, we are starting with roasting of our almonds, which we are frying in ghee, shallow frying in ghee. This we are doing so that almonds do not get soggy when we add it in the barfi. So now students, we are starting with the preparation of the ragi barfi. For this we require 100 gram of ghee, which we will let it melt. So now students, we are starting with the preparation of our ragi barfi, that is kodhe ki barfi, for which we have melted over 100 gram of ghee over here, and now we will add ragi flour, kodhe ka atta, and we will brown it. We will cook it in the ghee till ragi releases all the ghee. तो बेसिकली ये क्या है कि हम ये रागी फ्लावर को हम घी के साथ इसको भून रहे हैं, और इसे हमें तब तक कंटिन्यूसली इसे भूनना है जब तक ये जो इसमें रागी ने घी सोख किया है वो घी दोबारा जो है रागी कुक करके रिलीज ना कर दे. जैसे रागी घी रिलीज कर देगा, हम इसमें ग्रीन कार्डमम पाउडर ऐड करेंगे और फिर उसके बाद मावा ऐड करेंगे और फिर उसको दोबारा से कुक करेंगे. So now students, as you can see, the ragi has started oozing out our ghee. Now it is the time to add some green cardamom powder over it and our roasted nuts. So now after adding nuts, we will add our khoya, which is around 400 gram. You can see the quantity, the ratio of 1:4. Now we will gradually mix it and continue with our mixing of khoya. So basically स्टूडेंट देखिए, खोया एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि नीचे लगना शुरू कर देता है, तो इसे कंटिन्यूसली आपको चलाना पड़ेगा और हल्की उसमें फ्लेम में इसको कुक करना पड़ेगा ताकि जो है ये मिक्स हो जाए. So now students, as you can see, our ragi flour and mawa is mixed together. Now we will again cook it till the mawa and ragi releases all the ghee, and once the ghee is released, we will add our jaggery, and then we will cook it. And so now students, mawa and ragi have started oozing out the ghee. Now this is time to add our sweetening agent, that is jaggery. Around 100 gram of jaggery. So now we will cook it till jaggery gets melted and mixed properly together. Then we will mold our ragi barfi, kodhe ki barfi. So now students, you can see ghee oozing out from the mixture. So this is the indication that our barfi is ready. Now we will mold it and let it cool down in the room temperature. After that we will garnish it with the chandi ka work and then we will serve it. So now students, we have taken our barfi and now we have given it a shape. Now we will let it cool down in the room temperature. You can also see the ghee oozing out from the edges. After it is cooled down and it is set, then we will cut it in the square pieces, and you can also see we have garnished with the silver leaves. Once it is cooled down, we will shape it in the square pieces. So now students, as you can see, the kodhe ki barfi is set now, and we have cut it in the square pieces and garnished it with almonds and silver leaf. So thank you very much and have a nice day.